Good day everyone. This is the continuation of Ms. Opiasa's report. How circuit training work. First, choose your exercises. Pick a 5 to 10 exercises that target different muscle groups or mix cardio plus strength. Yes, mupili sa kita og exercises before ta magsugod sa to ang pag-exercise. Then second, set a timer or reps. Either perform each exercises for a set amount of time, 30 to 60 seconds, or a set number of repetitions. Yes, so pag man na to og pili og exercises, mag-set na dayon ta og time kung asa ra taman ang exercise. Then, third, perform exercises one after another. Do one exercise, then immediately move to the next with little or no rest, usually 15 to 30 seconds between stations, or even none for cardio or heavy circuits. So, kay nahuman naman ta sa pagpili og exercise, nahuman na pud ta sa pag-set og time, anhin na pud ta sa mag-perform og exercises one after another. Pagkahuman ni mog exercise sa isa, mo-proceed na din ka sa isa ka exercise if ever nga makaya-kaya pa nimo ang imo or mo move na ka immediately sa next nga exercise. And then fourth, complete the circuit. After finishing all exercises once, you've completed one circuit or round. So kay human naman ta og exercise, so na-complete naman nimo ang pag-exercise. So after finishing all exercises once, you've completed one. So diri as a fourth, which is na-complete na nimo ang imuhang mga gipang set na exercise. And then sa fifth, repeat the circuit. So after nga makomplete nimo ang imuhang exercise, i-repeat dayon na nimo ang imuhang exercise para mas para mas makita nato ang improvement. And then, purpose of circuit training. The primary purpose of circuit training is to improve overall fitness by combining cardiovascular and strength exercises with minimal rest between activities, leading to increased muscular strength or endurance, enhanced heart health, and significant calorie expenditure for weight management. So, ang purpose of circuit training is moto na siya makuha ang ato ang overall fitness, and then makuha niya ang ato ang strength, ang ato ang ma-enhance niya ang ato ang heart health, and etc. And Miss Doong will be continue the next step.
Circuit training offers many health benefits by combining strength and cardio exercise in one workout. Because it is flexible and efficient, circuit training is for people for all age and fitness level. Circuit training has many different benefits, including it doesn't take a lot of time. Circuit training allows you to get a full workout in a short period of time because exercises are done continuously with a little rest. Next, it improves cardiovascular fitness. The fast pace keeps your heart rate up, which strengthens the heart and improves blood circulation. Third is, it trains the entire body. Since circuit training consists of many different exercises, there is also different target muscle groups, giving a full body workout in one session. Next, you can do it without equipment. Many circuit training exercises use body weight only, making it easy to do everywhere. You can do it anytime, anywhere. It can help lower blood pressure and cholesterol. Circuit training helps you to exercise regularly to improve heart rate and helps to control your blood pressure and cholesterol level. It is good for all age group. It means circuit training can be adjusted in intensity, making it suitable for beginners, adults, teens, and older people. It improves anaerobic fitness. Short, intense movement help the body perform better during high energy activities. When talking about anaerobic, it is a movement of your body without using oxygen, while aerobic means movement of your body while using oxygen. The last is it can help with weight loss. Circuit training burns many calories and boosts metabolism, helping reduce body fats. Overall, circuit training is effective and time-efficient workout that improves strength, endurance, and overall health, making it a great exercise choice for everyone.